stands up for one of the greatest all-time thinkers, Plato, at 5:30. Now, our dramatisation of the much-loved novel from 1877 by Anna Sewell, Adam Godley stars in Black Beauty.
Black Beauty by Anna Sewell. Adapted for radio by Katie Hughes.
The first place I can well remember was a large, pleasant meadow with a pond of clear water. There were 6 young colts in the meadow with me, and they were a high-spirited bunch, but my mother would get quite cross with me if ever I joined in with any fighting.
The colts moved